Hello, trading is closed on June 12, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Got a target of 28.7966. That printed, here's that line. You see how close it is to the close. This isn't just a target, it's also a support resistance level. Look for the pattern with the early low, that's what this is. Lows on time, counter trend declines on time. Typically a rally into the close, which could spill over into tomorrow's open. When you don't close near the high end of this pattern, it's very negative and leads to lower prices. The catch is tomorrow's open can substitute for today's close, and futures are up, and they're indicating that gapping up over this high is very likely, and if so, the negative implications of this pattern go out the window. During the day, we got a sell signal that worked. System said the drop wouldn't stick and we'd retrace. So ultimately lower and higher price it would print. We got the minimum, then we got more. We got the minimum, we got more. Everything has been satisfied so far. Tomorrow's an easy call if we gap under this low, which doesn't look likely as I'm recording this, and it's a real tough call if we don't. It's too bad the mark stuff stopped working because we're in bar 13 of a combo sell on the weekly chart, and that, when it worked, could lead to some pretty significant drops. It's too bad it stopped working, and I'm not going to risk any money on it, but there's the signal. We have a critical trend line here. We broke through it and immediately reversed. As long as we stay under it, we should be able to get a pretty good sized drop, but again, if we gap over it, the signal's killed. Here we gapped up 3 straight days. Couldn't hold on to any of these highs at today's close. It's a negative pattern, and all you need to do to confirm a top is to gap under these lows and hold it. But we haven't been able to take these lows out either, and again, if we gap up over this high, the negative pattern's killed. One of these tricky things, all we need to do to confirm a top is to gap under this low. It's a very negative pattern. That would be the confirmation. But if we gap over this high, which futures are indicating is very doable, the pattern's killed. And if we gap over the high, I don't have a real call. Tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We'll have to see how we open, because it looks like we might get the gap up to kill the negative pattern. Gapping down makes it easy. That's today's call.